Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in International Denpasar Airport Bali at arrival. And today I will pick up my customer from Singapore. They just landing about 10 minutes ago. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation at the moment in International Denpasar Airport Bali at arrival, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the situation at the moment in International Denpasar Airport Bali at arrival. And now we are at pick up zone, pick up point. See together how busy Bali International Airport today. It's also busy, isn't it? That's good. Wow, looks so busy. Wow, a lot of tourists reaching Bali now. That's good. The weather is quite wet, but now starting getting better because last few days was the wind strong, like little storm, but now the wind is more friendly. Not so much rain anymore. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in International Denpasar Airport Bali at arrival. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Japanese people there. Look busy, look busy. Indian people. See, lorry driver, they're waiting for the customer. Driver waiting for their customer.
Okay, well this is the walking out from the back. This is where they all are. I'll give it another go and I'll
Okay guys, so this is our update session at the moment in International Denpasar Airport, Bali. So what do you think? Busy, isn't it? That's good. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update session at the moment in International Denpasar Airport, Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Yeah, busy today. That's good.
Hello, thank you.